Houston Tenants and takes just a few minutes to submit a maintenance request online.
Apparently, it takes just over 30 seconds to fix an air conditioner that's been out of service since Memorial Day, at least at one East Side complex. In a story you'll find only on 2, tenants at the Timber Ridge Apartments complex on Fleming Drive say they've been forced to endure the heat for weeks. That was until our Devin Clark stepped in and helped get the issue fixed in no time.
If the Timber Ridge Apartments ring a bell, you may remember when we were here last July, reporting on huge piles of trash and other dilapidated conditions that had been plaguing tenants. Now, nearly 1 year later, we're being called back. This time, tenants are complaining about Indio management. They say the company took over at the beginning of the year and now, in the height of summer, has been leaving them without air conditioning for weeks.
My son, his skin is actually, his whole face is puffy, it's breaking out because he has eczema, but this is the first year I've ever dealt with that. But I've had to put like 2 fans on him to keep him cool throughout the night.
Eric Corsi believes his air was intentionally cut off by management around Memorial Day because he owes a balance, which, if true, would be illegal.
They don't care about humanity. They really got me here in 100-degree weather.
He and Tiffany Robinson say inside their apartment hovers around 100 degrees.
We bought all these fans. This is a blower and about 3 fans just to try to stay alive.
Despite countless work orders, they say the only response they got was emails with empty promises and a number to call that doesn't work.
The number you are trying to reach is out of service.
We tried getting answers from the leasing office. It immediately became clear we were not welcome.
I would love to know why you have about 7 security guards and no one is helping this man get his air back on.
Despite security and management being combative, within seconds of us getting kicked out of the office, a maintenance worker was here. Now they have air.
He lifted that box up right here with a drill and he fixed it. 33 seconds.
Corsi and Robinson now able to sleep tonight.
I appreciate you. Whatever you did, I appreciate it.
On the east side, Devin Clark, KPRC 2 News.